welcome back to our channel. So as you guys see as today's title and thumbnail, today I'm going to be showing you guys Alejandra's room. So if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe with your post notifications on, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. So you guys know we bought a house a few months ago. So last year in October we bought our house, and we've been renovating the house here and there. We're almost done with the inside at least. But yeah, everything has been super hectic. Like when we're doing something, then something happens and we have to stop the project and like that. But finally we got the girls' room done. So I'm gonna be showing you guys Alejandra's room today. I'm gonna show you guys like before pictures and then after, and I'll try to show you guys like where I got the things. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. I know you guys have been asking for the girls' room, Alejandra's and Valentina's. So we're gonna do Alice first, and then next video will probably be Valentina's nursery. I can't wait to show you guys. It's been a long time since we've been working on it. There's clips that you guys are gonna see that I was pregnant, so months ago, that we've been putting up stuff in the walls and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, here are the before pictures of Alejandra's room. As you guys could tell, her room was completely different than what you're seeing in the background, at least. So the walls were a different color. I'm not a big fan of colored walls. I prefer more like neutral tones, and then adding like stickers or frames or stuff like that to the wall to give it like pop of color, since there are like little girls. So that's what we did. The first thing we did is completely paint this room. And the roof was like that popcorn ceiling, which is like the one that has like the little bumps. I prefer the one like that we have right now. It's just like smooth, and we added lights. This room had no light at all, so we just did the regular high hats, and then maybe in the future we'll add a chandelier in the middle. Not for now. So painting the room, and then she had rug in the floor, which I am not a big fan of either, so we decided to do tile. So rug is out, put tile, the same tile for the entire house, and I think it goes good with every room. So that was like the big change, the drastic change in this room. So I'm gonna show you guys now her room, what we did. And we changed her furniture from the one she previously had. So she's still in a crib, but we are about to change to like the railing in front of the crib, but not yet. She jumps out of her crib sometime, but not all the time. I feel like once we put the little railing, she's gonna like be walking in and out, and it's gonna be a whole mess. I'm already stressed enough in the mornings when she appears in her room. So yeah, I love this room. It's huge for her. She has a lot of space, so she has her playroom in her room. I think when they're bigger, we're gonna put them together and leave the other one as the playroom. I don't know, I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and show you guys what we did with her room. So this is the final product. Shelly, can you hang the name so they say the name? So the stickers are on, and then we have to hang her name right there in the middle. Definitely gives it the touch, and then obviously the crib goes right under, so everything fits perfect. I think we look really good. I think we did good for our first one. So yeah. So this is an overview of what her room looks like. So her room theme is flowers. As you could clearly tell, her room theme has been like this since the baby shower. And I really love her theme. So this is the door. Once you walk in, there's two closets. There's one here, and then there's one on this side behind the door. So this one right here is very sacred. It's kind of a mess right now, but this is all like the toys. She doesn't really play with that much, so I like to switch it out here and there. So I'm hiding it in there. Hopefully she don't find it. She doesn't really open this door, so we should be good. But yeah, that's the closet. We hanged up a TV in her room because at nighttime she usually likes to watch TV, so we did that there. Excuse the hanging cables. We had to come fix something here and we left it like that, but you know, you get the deal. So then in this corner right here, we did 2 frames, and then her letter. Obviously the baby pictures have to go. She's really old already. We need to update the pictures now from her 2nd year photo shoot. We should be getting them soon. And then we got this toy storage, I guess you could call it. I put her books, her those stuffed animals, and then here she has like a bunch of toys that she plays with. That's what I switch out in those bins. Then like more toys, her drawings, her little table, and then obviously more toys. She has a lot of toys, which we have to get rid of. She has way too many toys, but I've been kind of saving the ones for Valentina because she's gonna be playing with them as well. So I've been doing that, putting them away in plastic boxes and stuff like that. You saw the closet. So that's that. That's like the toy area. She loves to play in her room, so we keep it that way. And then we obviously put her curtains. They're like the same ones all around the house. They're just like, they look kind of gray, but they're not. They're white and they have black on the back. That's why they look a little gray. So like the light doesn't come in as much. And then we hanged up this. I didn't know what to do with this wall, so I was like, let's just hang something pretty there. And then I love this wall. My favorite wall of all the room. We did flowers and her name sign in the middle, underneath with her crib. Yes, her crib mattress is on the floor because she jumps out. So even if it's like that, she still jumps out. So it is what it is. We left it like that. And we got her dirty clothes hampered in the corner. And then this is her other wall. Flower frames. We gotta add a picture in this one. Her little mini lamp, which she loves. Her flower vase. And then her, I don't know, like chest, you call it. She used to have the one that was lower. You know, the changing table. It's not really a table. It's like a whole, what do you call it? Like a furniture. It's like you put clothes in the bottom and then you change her on the top. She had that style, but I feel like she's a little bigger. We don't need to change her on that anymore. So we gave that whole bedroom set to Valentina, and then we got Alejandra this new crib with this new furniture thing for her closet. I mean for her clothes, which she has so much clothes. It's ridiculous. I organized her clothes yesterday in here and it's crazy. So this, we did it by shirts. So we got shirts here, more shirts here, guys. This is like, there's like 5 or 6 in each little stack. It's crazy. Then we did pants and shorts here. Here we got her socks, her bloomies, her rompers, dresses, everything of that sort. And then we did PJs and like bathing suits, and then she has like a sweater there. So that's that. And then we did, this is her little elephant, and then her closet. She doesn't really have much in here, just like new clothes that doesn't fit her, or like going out clothes, you know, because she goes to daycare. Like, look how cute this jean jacket is. She got it for her birthday. She's never used it. Still a little big on her, so saving that for fall. You know, just outfits she hasn't used. And then her little shoes. This is the railing that I told you guys I want to put here. So it's kind of like the same thing, but it says it has like an opening on this side. So we're almost there. She has the dresses, her book bag, her toys. Well, not really her toys. This is like her sleeping buddy. She has 2 just in case she loses one. We got bows and headbands. And here's just like little photo albums that she's had over time that we printed out. And then we did this little like flower thing right here because the wall looks so empty, so we did that. I feel like her room changed so much, and obviously like next year when she's 3 we're gonna have to like do more like a toddler room, so I think she'll have like a full-on bed by then. So yeah, I'm excited to change her room over the years. I can't wait to update those pictures like right there now when we get her 2nd year photo shoot. And yeah, I'll be showing you guys every time we switch up her room, but she kind of has like a big girl room now. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys Valentina's nursery tour. It's beautiful. It came out so beautiful. Her theme is different than this one, so I can't wait to show you guys. It'll be up after this one. So yeah, there's her room. She loves it. She's obsessed with flowers, so I feel like her theme, like I feel like me obsessing over flowers in her pregnancy, like I don't know, she kind of like felt the whole flower vibe, and she's been obsessed with flowers ever since she's born. Like she is obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Make sure you go ahead and comment down what you guys thought about her room, and I can't wait to show you Vales. And yeah, we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye guys.